everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. Okay, so in today's video we have a special collaboration and it's called Holiday Dishes from Around the World, and that's being hosted by Penny's Lifestyle Living and the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. Now we also have two co-hosts, and one is Creations by Simone, and then we also have Living Life with Lisa. Now I'm going to be linking the hosts and the co-hosts down below in the description box along with the channel links. I'm also going to be linking the playlist. So make sure and full watch the videos, subscribe to our channels, and then head on over to that playlist, guys, to see what each of us cooked on holiday dishes from around the world, which simply said is your favorite dish. Now, whether it's a dish from your home birthplace or whether it's a dish from a place that you visited, it doesn't matter. It's a dish that you love, and whatever it is, I cannot wait to have you. Now, what I chose to make today is some boneless spare ribs, and I also decided to make some mashed potatoes with that because I'm feeding two boys. Now I'm using some basic spices here. This is probably my routine. So it's salt, pepper, garlic, and oregano. And then anything else additional to that, guys, you can alter the recipe any way that you'd like. This is just the way I cook it. And also I'm gonna be using a marinade by G. Hughes, which is teriyaki flavor. And I'm also gonna be using some monk fruit. So this is keto friendly. Now, if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video. I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you who've known me for a while or even from the very beginning, I just want to tell you how much I appreciate you from the bottom of my heart. Now, I pretty much don't measure, so you're going to salt and pepper and use whatever spices that you like to taste. And then I also add some olive oil, so we're going to marinate that together with that teriyaki marinade. And then we're going to go ahead and pop this in the oven for about 45 minutes at 350 degrees. Now at the 45-minute mark, okay, I'm gonna go in and take it out of the oven, move stuff around, and if it needs a couple of more minutes, I'm gonna pop it back in. I need you to see how delicious this looks, guys. Oh my goodness. Absolutely love it. So after this quick little reveal, we're going to move on over to the mashed potatoes. And my guys like to have the skin on their potato. So if you don't like that, make sure and remove it. Now what I'm gonna do here is we're gonna wash the mashed potatoes really good in the sink. I'm gonna cube them up because this will cook the potatoes faster in a pot of water with a dash of salt, guys. So I'm gonna leave you to a little bit of music as I go ahead and start that process. Okay, so what I'm doing here is we're adding salt and pepper, some cream. Okay, I usually add a little bit of mayonnaise to make everything creamier to the mashed potatoes. I didn't do that today, but it makes it so yummy. Anyway, we're gonna go ahead and mash this up and get this ready to serve. Okay, so this was a nice amount of mashed potatoes, but I am done. Now we're gonna scoop this into the dish. So that's what you see me doing here. Okay, so I am done serving this in the bowl. Let me give you a quick reveal and then we're gonna go ahead and take a closer look. Okay, so we're all done. Everything looks so delicious. Let's go take a closer look, guys. So now I want to take a moment and thank Penny from Penny's Lifestyle Living for hosting this collaboration with me. And I also want to thank the beautiful co-hosts who joined me, which is Living Life with Lisa and Creations by Simone. You guys are so awesome. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed creating it for you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys. I'll see you in the next one.